What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Kieran Cotton, and today we're going to rebuild Southampton. Should I buy him? Probably buy him. He's currently on loan to Burnley. Currently on loan to them. He's a bit one to know too. No, he's not. Let's do it. That much. Let's try and find a better. Not him. Let's try and find. Probably need a better goalkeeper. So I might bring to their team. Plays in the Prem. He plays for Arsenal. And his name is Ramsdale. They're pulling out. Well, I'll take one. I'm probably going to get David Raya. He's 2 years older than Alan Ramsdale, plays for Spain. Oh, he's currently on loan to Oh, more a bad keeper. I'm probably gonna get a mighty nice player, go by the name. Bruh. Go by the name. Manchester United never starts him. meal. Even for meal. Sound.
Guess I'll try call her again. Darby?
You're going to the St. Mary's Stadium. He's 76 rated, and we just bought him from Manchester United. Let's keep him on the bench for now. I'm going to bring one more player to the team. He plays for Man United. And plays for these. He's already played for him in real life, so let's bring him in on FIFA. He's probably going to be a good player to our starting lineup.
I guess I'll try call her again. Darby?
And let's bring a left back to us. Plays for Brentford. He's a defender. What's his name? Or Preston Bourne. Jaden Magoma. There he is. The mine's already in the team. Jaden Magoma. Everything. Nah. Let's just leave it at that. Go first match again. Come on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And sometimes. Oh, God. Yes, sir. I knew if we do Southampton, we'll win some games. We'll lose some. We're on 6 points, I think, we're top of the league. We lost in the cup. We're on 8 points. $11 points. $15 points. We actually have, we're in the league. We're second too. We're on 14. This is a 1. How is Norwich? Top. You can tell they really want to go up. Yes, sir. Sure, St. James's Stadium in Southampton. I've got to put one person on my bench. Alright, I've done that. Now let's try and win. Dog. Huddersfield, Huddersfield, Huddersfield. We drew 0-0 at the Cardiff Stadium. We drew 2-2 to Leicester. We've got West Brom away. We beat West Brom. I'm going to put 2 players in my thingy. Transfer hub. The 4th player for Norwich. No, 1 player for Norwich. Who I really, really want. These players over at top. These are strikers. I'm gonna put 4 in, I'm gonna put you in. You. 2 more. One of them plays for Crystal. One of them plays for Leicester. Taylor done. So Jamie Vardy. Really? Daniel James. That's good. The fuck? Jamie Vardy.
I guess I'll try caller again. Thought we were something, but no.
Last offer. Okay, 2 years. Dungeons, 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 dungeons. We are currently sitting second still. We need to catch up to Norwich if we want to win the league. So we need to keep on winning and growing. We're at the Stadium of Light. I'm drew 2-2. We're at home against Stoke. We lose 2-1. We're away to we're at home to Huddersfield. And we win 3-2. And we're away at Portsmouth Road, home to Ipswich, and we win 2-1. And we're at home against Birmingham. And we can't get and get him. I can't get him for that much. But you're pulling out. You dumb. Bruh. I don't know. I can't, man. Boys, the manager trying to rip me off. I do. Oh, yeah, I forgot about it. Sure thing, love. I'm turning FC, and it's fun to see the world is everything. I'm like, eat, marching on together. We're gonna get the boys a hand. Drew to Leeds. At Ellen Road. We got big sushi at home. Sorry, I yawned. 2-0 win. I'm gonna play this. Get the job done.
And a warm welcome on what is a fine day for football. I'm delighted to be able to report. I'm Derek Ray, and sitting next to me with his tactics chops at the ready is Stuart Robson. We're on the cusp of bringing you live action from one of the most exciting leagues in Europe, the Championship. It's Preston North End, and they take on Southampton.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric.
Oh, what an opportunity! They start as
Hamad!
to continue.
Hamad Diallo! Hamad.
Holmes. Will Keane. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. And a goal has gone in at the Stoke City Stadium. Alex, what news do you have for us on that?
Yeah, it's a goal for Stoke City. They've scored the opener with only 4 minutes played. Absolutely no messing around here. What a start, Derek.
Alex, sorry to interject, but a big chance here. And a goal! Another one! Two in quick succession. No wonder they're celebrating.
Shout out.
So back underway.
Shout out,
With the lead standing at 2-0. Well, it could be on for him here. And missing the chance.
Well, he strikes it cleanly, no doubt about that.
Hampton.
Needs to tread carefully. He's spot on with that challenge. That's a good pass. Oh, he couldn't outwit the keeper.
Save.
Over it comes. And still dangerous. But it just petered out. Will he finish? Keeper could be in trouble. Oh, the finish of real.
I'm just gonna enter this into end because it's a 4-0 win against North End. Middlesbrough away at Ashton Gate. I'm just sim to yeah. We're at Ashton Gate now. Duma. And Jamie Vardy. Jamie Vardy up front. Come on. Let's hope we get this. Let's hope we win the league. We're winning the league. We're winning the league.
Close the shift, babe. I shifted some before.
Okay.
That's why you close, wash, and the main shift and key then.
Whatever.
Then I'm whatever. When is it?
Sorry about that. I'm gonna get sacked because I'm winning the league. Because I'm winning. final defeat. Oh my. No wonder this one of the Blackburn.
A warm welcome to you all.
Whereas even Blackburn is. Right, without that Southampton. That's not good enough. This game's rigged. Just like its mum. How much do we have? 15 million. Okay, Bingo James. Southampton players who I put into the thingy. Indian. Again. Then Java. Let's get Dan in the Roma. And let's push to get him. And do our non-strikers. So we piss off the board. All these we're getting all these from Southampton. Go and trade in some players. Smart. See. Keep that with another man. Playing Dylan. I'm gonna end it now. See you in a bit.